Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by connecting the controller, because nothing works until Windows or your vendor recognizes it. Once done, install any required drivers. Use Windows Update, Steam Input, or the manufacturer installer, and pair via USB or Bluetooth. Open Rematch and create a new controller profile right away. This locks device detection. You should see controller LEDs or an input readout. If Windows shows unknown device, stop and reinstall drivers. Then return to Rematch to begin mapping. Now you map and calibrate step by step. First, map every input. Face buttons, bumpers, triggers, sticks, and D-pad. Label them in Rematch so you won't forget. Next, calibrate the sticks and triggers. Run the calibration tool, set dead zones small but effective, and adjust sensitivity to match in-game feel. Then enable advanced options like gyro or vibration if your controller supports them, and add any macros or modifier layers. Save the profile under a clear name for quick switching. Finish by testing and tweaking until controls feel natural. First use Rematch's input test, then jump into a short match or practice mode to evaluate timing and aim. Make small adjustments to dead zones and sensitivity, then retest. Repeat until stable. If something breaks, buttons not registering or drift, reinstall drivers, toggle Steam input or controller pass-through, try a different USB port, and restart Rematch. One key tip: swap to a fallback profile to isolate whether the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.